When you come for acupuncture with Lucy, your first session is about getting to know you as a patient and what your goals are, what you're looking for from treatment, maybe if you've got health concerns or what you're looking to get out of acupuncture. So your first session's a bit longer, and then you have your treatment, and the sessions after that are shorter sessions because Lucy's not having to get to know you, she's just needing updates on how your progress has been, and continued treatments. And your treatments might be slightly different depending on what it is that you're needing to get done.
So you arrive into a very pleasant waiting room, which is always a nice thing. I think first of all it's very calming. You kind of wait for Lucy to come in and see you, and she's always welcomed you with a big smile and a really nice friendly hello. It actually puts you at ease immediately. Then you come through and you have a sit down with Lucy and you tell her what's bothering you, which sometimes can go on a little while. But she spends a lot of time really listening to what you're saying, which in today's Western society not many people do. She then takes your pulse, but not in a Western sense. She actually, this is my lack of knowledge of the actual pulsing, but she feels your pulse and she looks at your tongue, which is a really strange thing, but you can actually tell a lot from a person's tongue, obviously in lots of different ways. Once we've done that, she actually asks you permission as to what areas you would like her to work on, which is really quite profound in the sense that she just doesn't say, I think this is what you need. She checks that that's okay with you. And then what happens is you lie in a very professional room, which is a clinic. And what I really love about the clinic is it's spotlessly clean. It puts you at ease in the sense that, you know, she's losing needles, but the space is spotlessly clean, but at the same time really relaxing, and it's not clinical. It's clean, professional, but not like going to a doctor's surgery, which I think is really important considering it's a holistic treatment. She makes you very comfortable, and then she gently puts in the needles, and following that she actually leaves you on your own for like about 10-15 minutes for the needles to start to work. And during this time you normally get very zonked and fall asleep. She at all times respects your privacy, so if you're taking off any items of clothing, she leaves the room and you go and lie down on the couch and cover yourself so there's no kind of exposure. Once she comes back in, once she's taken all the needles out, she'll leave the room again for you to get changed, and then we have a sit down and a glass of water and just ground ourselves and then leave. But it's amazing.
Yeah, so when I come in for an acupuncture session with Lucy, we sit down and discuss how I've been over the last few weeks since my last treatment. We then discuss priority areas for this treatment, and then I have a nice relaxing treatment.